Hi, I'm here on behalf of my company, Sunrose Online Pty Limited. Sunrose is a company situated in Durban, Central South Africa, 143 Julia Road to be precise. We offer premium hospitality equipment ranging from butchery, bakery and refrigeration equipment as well as air conditioning. For those that need them, these videos are created as a tutorial for online manual for all those who have bought our products, as well as to show as to how profitable these units can be.
Yeah, my name is Selwyn, technician of Sunrose Online. Got a ice crusher here, HCC6, and this machine produces 65 kilograms per hour. If you want to use the machine, you place the machine, then you put your ice, then you close it and you start doing it. Yeah. Right.